Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you guys doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Give me 30 seconds. Good morning, good morning. It is yours truly, Christina Atkins, the financial doctor. I am coming on here really, really fast. As some of you know, or some of you may not know, 2 weeks ago, I think it was 2 weeks ago or a week ago, I let you guys know that I have been blessed and able to relocate, and I now live in Belize. But I wanted to come on here really fast before I get ready to go out for my Saturday and let you guys know a few things that I have available for the month of October. As we all know, we are in the last quarter. I'm always asked all the time about the tax company, the tax industry, about the tax industry. And if you know, you know that is the industry that I am in. I have been so blessed to be in that industry. This year marks 20 years that I have been in that industry, and I love it. When I say I love it, I love it. Um, if you know my backstory, just really quick, if you are just tuning in, if someone shared this, again, I have been in the tax industry for the last 20 years. I have been blessed to have my own practice for the last 14 years. So, for me, what that means is I am able to work 4 months out of the year. I had an amazing career in retail banking, and my mom passed. And so in 2010, I tried to return back to corporate, but I did not feel the same. So I had one simple prayer to God. I said, God, the money that I make at this amazing bank, excuse me, my phone, the money that I make at this bank, can you give me that same salary? Hold on. I'm going to give you the money when I come off. Okay? I'm getting my lunch delivered. So my prayer to God was, hey God, the salary that I'm making in the bank for 12 months, am I able to make that in 4 months? And we know that we serve a God that is awesome, incredible, and faithful. And He has done that and more for the last 14 years for me while being in this industry. So why am I on here? I get the question all the time about how to start a tax business. So starting on Wednesday. So by the end of, probably give me 2 hours and I'll drop it. So starting Wednesday for the next 4 weeks, I will be teaching a course walking you through how to set up your tax business, how to get licensed with the Internal Revenue Service, how to get the numbers that you need to work with the Internal Revenue Service, how to become and partner with the bank. When my clients come, I can print my clients a check. I can give I can give my clients a debit card. I can send it to direct deposit. The most amazing part of it is my clients do not have to return to me to pay. The IRS pay me every week. So before my client receive their tax refund, the IRS take my cutout and send it to me, and take their refund and send it to them. I know you get all of these runarounds and just give you pieces of it. I will be walking you through the door on how to get certified with the IRS, how to get the numbers that you need to work with the IRS, how to get connected with the banks, and also the software that talks to the IRS. I know that there are individuals that go online and do the free one, and then they come back, or you go back to them and you have to pay them, or whichever way it is. So even if you have a tax person that you use that you have to go back and pay, and they're not certified with the IRS, and you think that they do an incredible job, and you would think that they will want to become certified or want to work with the IRS, you can also share this video with them. So, again, just to sum it up, I will be teaching how to start a tax business. And I said in the live that it is the most recession proof industry. And the reason I say that, no matter what happens in COVID, out of COVID, every person that work have to pay taxes if you live in the United States of America. Taxes you have to pay. So no matter what happens, and you can and you are a witness in COVID and out of COVID, if you received unemployment, if you received work, whatever you received as income, as long as the United States have electricity and individuals are working, you have to pay taxes. So it is the most recession proof industry, just like medical. Medical isn't going anywhere, taxes is not going anywhere. So I will be walking you through step by step on how to set up the proper tax business, how to connect you with the banks directly, as well as the software that you need, as well as the application, the background, all of that that you need to become a licensed tax preparer with the Internal Revenue Service. Last but not least, there are also individuals like, I don't know how to do taxes. How do I even learn how to do taxes? I have an amazing, the same route I took. So I'm only teaching you the same things that I have learned. So for me, I was blessed. In college, I had an intern at Jackson Hewitt on 55th. And so I worked with Jackson Hewitt, and that's why I learned how to do taxes for individuals outside of the classroom. So you take the accounting class, then I had an internship at Jackson Hewitt. I took my courses with Jackson Hewitt, learning how to do taxes. I have an amazing sister who has four, if not this, she may be adding another one, which will make five tax offices that she have in Illinois under Jackson Hewitt. There is a class that is self-paced that you can sign up for, that you can take online for your own pace, to walk you through how to do taxes. You have a midterm and a final exam, and that teaches you how to do taxes. I will be teaching you how to set up the business and how to become a licensed representative with the Internal Revenue. I will not be teaching how to do taxes. Again, I will connect you with my sister, and she will be able to give you the information to get the course, which is an online course. I was able to take it when we were taking it in Jackson Hewitt. So we went to class and we went through the book, and we had to be in class every week. They now have transitioned it, and the classes are online. You do have a midterm and you do have a final, and that is how you will learn how to do taxes. I show you, after you know how to do taxes, how to set it up the correct way so the IRS can pay you and your clients don't have to come back and pay you. And you can offer your clients, when tax season come, my clients are able to get advances off their taxes. They're able to get a debit card if they don't have a bank account. And if some of them are still old school and want me to print them a paper check, then they can also get a paper check. So that's all I wanted to come to you for on this Saturday. Again, just give me 2 hours. I will drop the enrollment, um, the flyer, and how you can sign up. It is a 4-week course. Every Wednesday, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. It will be recorded. So if you cannot make the class on the live, then you can watch the recording. You will have all my contact information. So any questions that you have, you will be able to call me and reach out to me. Again, and last but not least, people always say, well, you do that. Why are you teaching that? Me and you both know there are so many individuals in the land. What God has for me is for me, and what He has for you is for you. And so, if I have been blessed with information, again, the life that I live is because of the industry that I work in. Just point blank. It is because of the industry that I work in. Again, I work 4 months, January to April. I choose to work the other months with the financial doctor, but if I finish in April, I'm totally okay because I have been blessed to be in a recession proof industry that affords me the opportunity weekly, paid by the IRS. My clients are faithful. Um, and I just love it. So there's no reason not to teach it. There's nothing for me to, I don't, that's not the spirit that I have. So whatever God has blessed me with, and I can be a teacher and teach it. So again, I would drop everything. Just give me 2 hours. I'll have everything to you so you can sign up. Again, it's every Wednesday for the month of October for 4 weeks. I'll be walking you through how to set up your tax business. And if you purchased the course last season, again, you do not have to repurchase it. You can come back into class. You can meet on the weekly sessions, and I'll be sending you out an email as well. So I look forward to seeing you guys on Wednesday. If you have any questions, you can inbox me or you can send me a message. So thank you so much for tuning in this Saturday with yours truly, the financial Dr. Christina Marie. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Have an amazing, amazing weekend and happy October.